This is my brand new SUNSUN HW-5000. I bought 3 of them. I repaired the other 2 wiring. Nice basket. But this is on 25. There's 30. 35. 40. Really pumps the water out there. Problem is, I'll bring it down to 15, 10, and so this is what you get to hear on this one. I fixed the LED light. It was a broken wire, or wire just came unsoldered. So wonderful. I don't know if I can get a motor for this. So this is your HW-5000, and this is what you get to hear all day with this one. I've got the other 2 working on my other big tank I've just shown, but this one here is a bit of a problem. I don't know why I can't get that motor to work properly. Anyways, I'll keep working on it and hope I get it done. So thank you, and I hope to get parts soon. Bye for now.